Today I will be unboxing Aphmau MeeMeows collector case, one set. First we go. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's open this one. Get scissors. Look what I got. It's a cute little cat, mermaid cat. Let's see what's inside. We got an Aphmau character, and it's Aphmau as a wolf. There's some flashy.
Let's just go on the corner for around.
This. There's some flashy.
Let's just go on the corner for around.
This. Then. Next, there's something here. Aphmau MeeMeows collector case. And we have some
Just
stickers.
drive around. We'll go forward first and then we'll go most of them.
Wow, we can get two MeeMeows mystery plush, 3 mystery MeeMeows figure, 3 MeeMeows squishies, and three collector figures of Aphmau, and 6 different stickers, which are right here. And we'll unbox that last. Let's see. There's something. It's probably a squishy. By the look of it, I can tell it's a squishy. It is! Oh, this is what's inside. Now we unbox the biggest of them all. And we've got so cute. Now let's unbox this one. We got 1 sticker, 2 stickers.
Whoa, behind
2
us!
Stickers.
Behind us,
4
Mikey!
stickers.
Behind us!
Ta-da. These are all the stickers.
Hit him once.
That's all for today. Bye.